Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. French toast has always been my favorite. I still remember how my mom used to pack it for our lunch box, and on those days I felt a little extra special. I used to wait for the lunch break so that I could open my lunch box and finish up these yummy toast. And now years later, I find myself making these yummy French toast for my son. In today's video, we are going to make peanut butter French toast. So we are just going to add a creamy peanut butter to it. Sounds good, right? So this recipe is super simple. First, we will start by spreading the peanut butter on one slice of bread. Now, if you love to make peanut butter at home, check out my homemade peanut butter recipe. I've given the link in the description box below. Now once we spread the peanut butter, we will place in another slice on top of it. So now our peanut butter sandwich is ready. Next we will prepare our egg mixture. For this, in a bowl we'll take 1 egg, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. We will add 2 tablespoons of milk to this and mix everything nicely. Now our egg mixture is ready. Next, in a pan we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then we are going to dip our sandwich into the mixture, making sure it's well coated. And now we are going to toast the sandwich on medium heat on both sides. We will flip the sandwich once or twice on each side until it turns golden brown and crispy. So this will take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This is super simple to make, and this is great for breakfast, for brunch, for a quick snack, or it's super delicious when you pack it for lunch boxes as well. So our peanut butter French toast is ready. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and simple recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time with more delicious recipes.